Frank, does our customer want us to be the expert or just someone they can trust without saying this valve clicks into that valve and
No,
this tab A goes into
I
tab C?
Yeah, I mean, I think, look, I think we're in our heads. If you think about it, convenience, did I fix it properly? And then we sort of manage the time frame. We all know the big misnomer is that folks want it for cheap. If we're providing the value of meeting the times we're trying to honor, providing them with rentals, providing them with loaners, most of us are doing that. But the idea is to make them the hero and make your squad the hero with that. Your experience, as we are consumers ourselves, dictates the outcome. And I wouldn't put expert. I would put, did they get me through life as I needed my life back with my vehicle? And so I'm careful on the whole expert thing. I do a lot of work with TV and radio, and I get journalists that say, we got our expert. And I'm like, I don't want to be called an expert. I just want to be able to educate the consumer, try to do it in an entertaining form. And I think most great shop owners and middle management, upper management, they get it. We can have tough days, but what gets us through that? Am I going to approach my young tech and have this, I'm the expert? No, I'm in here with you. And that's the mantra that we can pass on, as well as the consumer. I think your audience has to be the hero. They have to feel like they're in control. They have to feel like they had something to do with the process. And I think if we can think that way, Carm, of course we're training and we're the technical wizards of what we do. We know this.
Yeah.
But go to a doctor, go to a surgeon. He'll set your mind at ease and let you know that he's done 200 of these procedures, but immediately he's getting to the human spirit of who you are, getting ready to go under the knife and making you comfortable. I think that's about